Are you ready to master the art of persuasion in writing? This video will guide you through essential techniques to enhance your persuasive writing skills. Discover how to engage and convince your readers effectively. Persuasive writing aims to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint. It involves using strategic language to influence emotions and thoughts. This session will cover key techniques that make writing more compelling. By understanding these methods, you can craft arguments that resonate. Let's dive into the world of persuasive writing. Emotive language is a powerful tool in persuasive writing. It uses words that evoke emotions to influence the reader's feelings. For example, describing an event as a graveyard for horses creates a strong emotional response. This technique can sway opinions by appealing to the reader's emotions. Understanding its impact is crucial for effective persuasion. To effectively use emotive language, identify words that trigger emotions. Consider phrases that make the reader feel guilty or concerned. For instance, "Innocent babies have already died" evokes strong feelings. Emotive words can persuade readers to take action. Practice crafting sentences that target specific emotions for maximum impact. Direct address involves speaking directly to the reader using you or we. It creates a connection and makes the reader feel involved. For example, "We are all concerned about pollution" includes the reader in the issue. This technique makes it harder for the reader to dismiss the message. Use direct address to build rapport and engagement. Transforming impersonal sentences into direct address can enhance engagement. Instead of "everyone needs to listen," say "you need to listen." This shift makes the message more personal and impactful. Direct address encourages the reader to feel directly involved. Practice rewriting sentences to include the reader. It's a simple change with powerful effects. Rhetorical questions are used to grab attention and provoke thought. They don't require an answer, but make the reader reflect. For example, "How would you feel if your street was full of rubbish?" Prompts consideration. This technique is effective in making readers think deeply about an issue. Use rhetorical questions to engage and challenge your audience. Creating rhetorical questions involves posing queries that provoke thought. For instance, "Do you want our planet to survive?" encourages reflection. Such questions make the reader consider their own stance. They are a subtle yet powerful persuasive tool. Practice crafting questions that challenge the reader's perspective. The rule of three is a technique where 3 points are made in succession. It's memorable and emphasizes the message. For example, "Reduce, reuse, and recycle" sticks in the mind. This method enhances the persuasive impact of your writing. Incorporate the rule of three to make your arguments more compelling. To apply the rule of three, think of 3 related points. For instance, "Stop, look, and listen" is effective. This structure is easy to remember and reinforces the message. Practice using this technique in your writing. It's a simple way to enhance persuasion and retention. Hyperbole involves exaggeration to create a strong effect. It's more than just exaggeration. It's taking things too far. For example, "I am dying of shame" conveys intense emotion. This technique can dramatize a point, making it more persuasive. Use hyperbole carefully to enhance your writing's impact. To use hyperbole, identify areas where exaggeration can emphasize a point. For instance, "Everyone knows that" suggests widespread knowledge. This technique can make your writing more vivid and engaging. Practice crafting sentences that use hyperbole for dramatic effect. It's a powerful way to amplify your message. Repetition involves repeating words to reinforce a point. It helps the reader remember key messages. For example, "We shall fight." Repeated in a speech emphasizes determination. Repetition can make your writing more memorable and persuasive. Use this technique to drive home your main ideas. To craft repetition, choose words or phrases to emphasize. For example, "Fun, fun, fun" highlights enjoyment. This technique ensures the reader remembers your message. Practice using repetition to reinforce key points. It's an effective way to enhance persuasion and retention. Let's test your understanding of persuasive techniques. This quiz will cover the key concepts discussed. Answer the questions to check your comprehension. It's a great way to reinforce your learning. Are you ready to begin? What is the rule of three? Is it excessive exaggeration or putting words together for emphasis? The correct answer is putting words or phrases together in groups of 3. This technique adds emphasis to your writing. Remember, it's about creating a memorable impact. Why are rhetorical questions used? Are they to grab attention or find out what the reader knows? The correct answer is to grab attention and make the reader think. Rhetorical questions engage the audience effectively. Use them to provoke thought and reflection. What does the topic sentence do in a paragraph? Does it give detail or the main idea? The correct answer is it gives the main idea. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence. It sets the stage for the rest of the paragraph. Which is an example of hyperbole? Is it, "My feet are killing me," or "Don't you agree?" The correct answer is, "My feet are killing me." Hyperbole uses exaggeration for effect. It's a dramatic way to emphasize a point. What does emotive language aim to do? Does it make the reader feel involved or feel a certain way? The correct answer is to make the reader feel a certain way. Emotive language evokes emotions like sadness or anger. It's a powerful tool in persuasive writing. Through these techniques, you've learned to enhance your persuasive writing. Emotive language, rhetorical questions, and repetition are key tools. Use them to craft compelling arguments and engage your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, go and apply what you've learned. Congratulations on completing this module on persuasive writing. You've gained valuable skills to enhance your writing at level 2. Keep practicing to master the art of persuasion.